Put aluminum foil near your plants and you want to adopt me as your official gardener. Cut a piece of foil about 8 inches long, roughly the size of an overly enthusiastic smile. Now, grab that empty paper towel roll you were about to toss. Yes, the one that's been waiting for its moment to shine, and use scissors to cut it vertically from bottom to top, like you're opening a botanical treasure. Fold the foil into 4 parts to form a sturdy but manageable rectangle, like you're wrapping up an award for Employee of the Month. Place the cardboard right in the center of the foil and start wrapping it up like you're crafting a botanical burrito. Now, here's the good part. If you stick this piece into the soil near your plants or flowers, it gives you 2 powerful benefits. The first, and probably the most immediate, is that it scares off nosy birds and bad taste bugs that like to perch and damage your plants. And the second benefit is even shinier. Literally, sunlight reflects off the foil, increasing the light around the plant and boosting photosynthesis. This helps it grow stronger, healthier, and probably with more self-esteem than most humans. Place one in each pot if you're going for epic results.